This is Gaudencia, a farmer who's worked with the Toothpick Project. On the left, she shows maize affected by Striga. On the right, she shows what a healthy maize is supposed to look like. Gaudencia knows firsthand the devastating effects of Striga and describes it to us here.
Okay, with a farm that has been infested with Striga, mostly on an acre, on average you can get around 4 to 5 bags. But with good planting and you don't have Striga on your farm, I think 20 bags at least. But if you have good fertilizer, at most 25.
The question is, how do we overcome Striga and get to those 25 bags? This is where the Toothpick Project comes in. Dr. David Sands from Montana State University developed biocontrol technology that flips the field of plant pathology by putting a plant disease to work to kill the targeted weed. On the right, you can see Striga weed that's being attacked by a fungal disease, Fusarium oxysporum, called Foxy for short. We isolated the Foxy off of those leaves. Foxy is a host-specific pathogen with hundreds of forms, each attacking a different plant. In nature, the pathogen seeks a balance and only wilts about 40% of the Striga weed. To get a higher success rate than that, we selected strains of the fungus that excrete high levels of certain amino acids that harm the Striga but not the crops. With application of this carefully selected strain, the Striga count goes down by about 90% and the crop yield increases. It's been a great solution, natural, host-specific, eco-friendly, and locally sourced. The deployment system was created to be as simple as possible. First, we grow the selected fungi strains on toothpicks in the lab, hence the name the Toothpick Project. At the village level, a trained producer grows a fresh inoculum by incubating the fungi-coated toothpicks in a cooked rice substrate. On the farm, a pinch of the inoculated rice is planted with each maize seed. Results show that with our inoculum, the average yield increase is 56.5%. Gaudencia explains what this help from Toothpick Project meant to her.
For us, it has been a long journey and a tough one because you go to the farm expecting to get more yield, and then at the end of you put in effort, and then the finances, at the end of the day, you don't get anything. So you get disappointed. So I just want to say thank you, because for the little practicals that you've been doing, to me, they've been a success. And I know it's going to be more than that. And it's going to help